The GreenIron Plant design consists of 4 parts: a raw material storage and feeding station, a mixing and pelletizing station, GreenIron's patented and unique hydrogen-based belt furnace, where the material is reduced to pure metal without any CO2 emissions, and a storage and feeding station for the final product. The raw material is first mixed with a binder. The material is then pelletized and charged into a bucket. The bucket is transported and placed into the belt furnace. The lid is closed and the atmosphere is evacuated and replaced with nitrogen. The furnace is heated to 550 Celsius and the atmosphere is changed from nitrogen to hydrogen, and the reduction process begins. The reduction process takes about an hour, after which the reduced end product is transported to the packaging station. GreenIron's production facility is flexible and small scale and can be accommodated on approximately 1,000 square meters.